It's Monday, May 1st. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And don't be surprised if the price of gold starts to take off again. It's what analysts are saying in relation to yet another U.S. bank going bust. American regulators seizing San Francisco-based First Republic Bank over the weekend and have already sold most of its assets to J.P. Morgan Chase. First Republic losing 40% of its customer deposits in the first quarter, its share price plummeting 97%. But unlike the situation in the States, we have a far different story for Canada, where financial institutions are reporting a boom for commercial business. Scotiabank, a prime example where business lending has soared 22% in the first quarter. Spread the news and tell your friends about Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news impacting you, with listeners in over 20 countries on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Labor peace for most, but not all, of those striking federal government workers. A tentative contract deal now in place, ending the walkout for about 120,000 staffers. Negotiations ongoing to resolve a deal for about 35,000 Canada Revenue Agency workers. Final economic growth numbers in for last year. StatsCan reporting that Newfoundland was the only province not to show a GDP gain, as nationwide growth came in at 3.6%. Saskatchewan topping that at 5.7%, followed by Alberta at 5.1%, Manitoba at 3.9%, BC and Ontario matching the national growth rate at 3.6%. And an absolutely crazy busy week in store for corporate earnings, with popular Vancouver-based clothing retailer Aritzia, along with Tim Hortons parent Restaurant Brands International, reporting first quarter results on Tuesday. BC forestry giants Canfor and Western Forest Products, along with grocery powerhouse Loblaw, will report on Wednesday. Another big lumber producer, Interfor, and Vancouver-based miners Wheaton Precious Metals and First Majestic Silver will share their Q1 numbers on Thursday, and the latest earnings from Calgary-based pipeline giant Enbridge will be out on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.